And now for the table of values of trigonometric ratios of angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. See the table alongside. Remember these values. Let us now solve exercise 8.2 after having learnt all the trigonometric ratios of various angles. Exercise 8.2. Question 1. 1. Find the values of the following. 1. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 degrees. Solution. Substituting the trigonometric ratio values of the given angles, we get 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 degree is equal to 2 into 1 square plus root 3 upon 2 the whole square minus root 3 upon 2 the whole square, as tan 45 is equal to 1, cos 30 is equal to root 3 upon 2 and sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2. Thus, 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 degrees is equal to 2. Question 2. Show that sin 90 degrees is equal to 2 cos 45 degrees into sin 45 degree. Solution. Find the left-hand side value and right-hand side value and then prove that both sides are equal. 1. On left-hand side, we have sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. Mark it as equation 1. 2. On right-hand side, we have 2 cos 45 degrees into sin 45 degrees, as cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2, sin 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Substituting these values, we get right side is equal to 2 into 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2 is equal to 2 into 1 upon root 2 the whole square is equal to 2 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 1. Mark it as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we have left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. Therefore, sin 90 degrees is equal to 2 cos 45 degrees into sin 45 degrees. Question 3. 1. If cos 40 degrees plus x is equal to sin 30 degrees, find the value of x. Solution. 1. Given that cos 40 degrees plus x is equal to sin 30 degrees. 2. But sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. 3. Thus, cos 40 degrees plus x is equal to 1 upon 2. Mark it as equation 1. 4. But cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. Mark it as equation 2. 5. Thus, from equation 1 and 2, we have 40 plus x is equal to 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 minus 40. Therefore, x is equal to 20 degrees. 2. If tan y is equal to sin 45 degrees, cos 45 degrees plus sin 30 degrees, find the value of y. Solution. Given. 1. Tan y is equal to sin 45 degrees cos 45 degrees plus sin 30 degrees. 2. But we know that sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2. Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. Substituting these values, we get 3. Tan y is equal to 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon 2. Therefore, tan y is equal to 1 upon root 2 the whole square plus 1 upon 2. Therefore, tan y is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Thus, tan y is equal to 1. Mark it as equation 1. 4. But as we know, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Mark it as equation 2. 5. From equation 1 and 2, therefore, tan y is equal to 45 degrees. Question 4. If angle A is equal to 30 degrees, then show that sin A is equal to root of 1 minus cos 2A upon 2. Solution. 1. On left-hand side, we have sin A. Given angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, sin A is equal to sin 30 degrees. Thus, left-hand side is equal to sin A is equal to sin 30 degrees. But sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. Thus, left-hand side is equal to sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. Mark it as equation 1. 2. On right-hand side, we have root of 1 minus cos 2A upon 2. Substituting A is equal to 30 degrees, we have right-hand side is equal to root of 1 minus cos 2 into 30 upon 2. Thus, right-hand side is equal to root of 1 minus cos 60 upon 2, but cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, right-hand side is equal to root of 1 minus 1 upon 2 the whole upon 2 is equal to root of 1 upon 2 upon 2 is equal to root of 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Mark it as equation 2. 3. Thus, from equations 1 and 2, we can say that left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. Thus, sin A is equal to root of 1 minus cos 2A upon 2. Question 5. If sin A plus B is equal to root 3 upon 2 and sin B is equal to 1 upon 2, then find A and B. Solution. 1. Given that sin A plus B is equal to root 3 upon 2, but sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 upon 2. Thus, A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Mark it as equation 1. 2. Now it is also given that sin B is equal to 1 upon 2. But sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. Thus, B is equal to 30 degrees. Mark it as equation 2. 3. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1, we get A plus 30 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, A is equal to 60 degrees minus 30 degrees. Therefore, A is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, A is equal to 30 degrees. B is equal to 30 degrees.